Well, good morning, everyone, team. Let's start the session for today. Meanwhile, others can join parallelly. So, in the yesterday session, team, we were talking about our end user transactions in the system. And as part of the end user transactions team, we started with our HR self-service in the system, right? Team, today also, please adjust with my voice, team. So, all of you know, since yesterday, I'm having severe throat infection. Still, my voice is not clear. So please adjust for today. Probably by tomorrow, I will be back with my regular voice team. So I request everyone, please focus on the session. So in the yesterday session team, we were talking about our transactions in the system, and we have seen how to hire different types of work relationships team. How to hire an employee, we have seen. How to hire a contingent worker, we have seen. Okay. And then team, uh, we have seen non-worker and also pending worker hiring also we have seen team yesterday, right? I mean to say hire an employee, I have covered. For contingent and non-worker, I told you the same kind of method we have to follow team, because we have individual tasks available there, we can do that. Pending worker, we have an approach to follow team. And in yesterday's session, I have shown you how to hire a pending worker team. Now let us proceed further. What I did team yesterday, I think with 16th or some future date I given and I hired, right? Let me check out team. So where we have to go in the system, once after you hiring the employee, if you want to check that employee record team, beside new person, we have person management, I told you team. If you come here, you can able to search your employees in the system team. So Triotech. So this is the person. Suresh is employee we hired team. And this is the person we hired Shankar by name pending worker team. So what I did team yesterday, I hired a pending worker with a projected start date team. You can see here, right? Projected start date, April 16th. So yesterday I hired the employee on 8th April with 16th April as a projected start date team. So I told you, whenever you create the pending worker in the system, why we have to create that, we discuss it team. And I told you we have to convert the pending worker to employee on this date team. So how that conversion will happen in the system team? I told you there are two ways team for doing that. One is automatically converting the pending workers through a process running team, or manually HR doing. But every time HR cannot do manually team, because in an organization many people will be there daily recruiting team, right? Okay. So what we have to do team, there is a bulk process available in the system for converting the pending work. So as a HR admin, if you want to check out who all pending worker records in a system team, if you come to my client group and if you go to new person team, here team, either new person dashboard or pending workers, either this or this, both are same team. So if you come to new person dashboard here team, who all pending workers in the system yet to be processed to employee, converted to employee, you can check out here team. See here, these all are currently team, the pending workers in the system, currently hired as a pending worker. Okay. Then you have to assign to them, pending workers, and you have to convert to employee team. So here our pending worker also there, which I created yesterday team. See, Shankar, Triotech pending worker, person number, legal employer, then proposed start date, April 16th. Then yesterday creation date team. And team, we included him for auto conversion. While hiring the pending worker, I told you important consideration. Assignment level, we have to keep include for auto conversion. Now team, in order to convert pending worker to employee in the system, we should go here team. For any bulk processes in the system that you want to submit, we should go to tools work area here. Okay. Under tools team, if you come to scheduled processes, okay, scheduled processes. And here team, if you go to schedule new process, it's not about only for pending workers team. In different modules, we have different processes team. Next, when you go to absence module, we have different processes available team. So everything you can able to search from here team. Click on the drop down, search. We have something by name, run convert pending workers automatically process. This is the one. You search with run convert pending worker team. Select this one, click on OK team. You will land upon this process team, click on OK. So this is the process we have to run. See team, what is that process? Schedule or runs the process that automatically quick convert pending workers matching their criteria, right? So conversion criteria. So date parameters we have to give team on proposed start date means team, if today I'm running this process, today is 9th April 2025 Wednesday. If I'm running the process now in the system, whoever pending workers with the projected start date with today's date is there, they all will convert. 5,000 employees might be their team. They will convert at one shot once I run this process. Conversion date on proposed start date means if at all today I'm running system date, whoever have proposed start dates with today's date in the system, everyone will convert team. Then only particular worker types only should convert. For particular country people only I want to run this particular legal granular level filter stream, population filter, only for particular business unit, department, location. Then choose those parameters and run. So this process will run only for the employees of this team. No, Kumar, I want a global run in my system. In all companies, whoever pending workers are there, I want to convert them. Then don't choose any of the parameters. Conversion date you give team. Or let's say team, before proposed start date only. Let's say I'm giving 2 days before team, before 2 days. I don't know exactly who asking this question yesterday. Someone was asking me, Amarnath or someone. Kumar, you hired the pending worker with the proposed date of 16th. Should I wait till 16th to convert that person? Or before that only can I convert? I'm giving conversion date before proposed start date 2 days team. Means what you know? On 14th, when this process runs in the system, whoever having 16th date, they will convert before only, 2 days before only. So you want after, before, on client requirement team. So here you have that conversion date. I told you yesterday, today I will cover that. Here is their C. So this is the process team. Many of my clients, my personal experience team, they used to ask me, Kumar, we are using pending workers concept, but I don't want my HRs to run every day manually. Can you please automate this process? Every day morning 6 a.m. before we coming to the office, the day start. Every day morning 6 a.m. I want this run to be automatically running in the system. So whoever on that dates are there with projected start dates with that system date, they all should convert every day, Kumar. In that case, team, rather than submitting, if you submit, just now it will run at 8:19 a.m. You have advanced option team. Go to advanced mode. Okay. Then come to parameters team. Then schedule we have team. As soon as means right now it will run. Using a schedule. Select frequency once. What is the date you can give? Hourly once, daily once, weekly once, monthly once, yearly once. I want daily. Frequency daily. Again daily. Days between runs. Every day once you want. Every 2 days once you want. Every 3 days once you want. I want every single day. So days between runs 1. Then starting from tomorrow, 10th April. Time you can give. What time? 6 a.m. Currently, my system is in UTC time zone. That is why taking universal time. You can give whatever you want, team. 6 a.m. for next 5-10 years, team. Okay. Till April 30, 2035, 2031. Okay. 6 a.m. See team, from 2025 April 10th, 6 a.m. to April 30, 2031. For next 6 years, I'm scheduling this process team. Every single day at morning sharp 6 a.m. the process will run in the system team. And even my client asking me here, these all are my personal requirements only. Okay. My client asking me team, Kumar, yes, we want automatic option. That's okay. You are scheduling. Every day in the morning 6 o'clock, once the process complete, my HR should get email from the system saying that the process completed successfully. An intimation. While you scheduling team, you can even enable the recipients also. Notifications team. Come here, then address type, email or user ID, whatever you want, you can select. And here team, you can select the recipient team. In my system, I have my HR by name, Curtis Fiat. His username team, our usernames are there, no? User account names, the details team. Then condition, in all the cases, sometimes the process will error also team because of some health issues of the servers and all team. So in all the cases, if it is success fail warning, this person Curtis Fiat should receive the email team. You can add more recipients also team in the list. So every day morning 6 o'clock, this process will auto run and that person will get notified team. If you submit, then every day it will schedule in the system. Only once if you want to run team, then go to basic mode, give the parameters and you submit team. So these are the filters we have for population to select. If you keep open, it's for everyone. Only for particular 10 people I want to run. No, I don't have that. This is only the maximum leverage Oracle given. So this is the process we have for automatically convert. But if you are running this process and your employee not converted, problem is with you. Means what team? While you hiring that person, in the third tab, include for auto conversion, you kept as no. That is your mistake. System can't do anything, team. So if you're running this, system still not converting, go and check the employee from the dashboard. You might kept this as no, this flag, include for auto conversion team. If you keep yes, then system will convert team. Okay. So that is team scheduling the process in the system team. Now manually, if HR want to do, Kumar, I don't want to wait till the process runs tomorrow morning 6 o'clock. See, 6 o'clock is my client timing, I'm telling. Your client might ask you at 10 a.m., 11 a.m. You can give the time accordingly. Okay. Then team, if my HR want to manually convert the pending worker, Kumar, I don't need to wait till tomorrow. Today I hired, immediately I want to convert him, Kumar. Then come to this new person dashboard team. Select your pending worker record. The entire row will get selected here team. Come to these two arrows, come to actions button team. Okay. So in actions button, we have here multiple options coming up team. See, while I'm hiring yesterday, I included for auto conversion, yes. If you want to exclude now, you can exclude him from that team. See, yes will become no. Now, if I run the process, my Shankar will not convert to employee team. You disable that. So as a HR admin, after hiring the pending worker also, you can come here, you can include him, exclude him from auto conversion. Again, I want to put it back. Include for auto conversion. Yes. See, it enable team. Now, yesterday, one of my friend asking me, Kumar, we hired pending worker Kumar. Now, employee not turning up means the joining date is 16th April, but tomorrow or day after tomorrow, let's say employee came back and saying to the HR that, no, I'm not joining. I got some better offer outside with good package more than you. I'm not going to join. But we created the pending worker record. How we can handle the situation? We have to cancel this work relationship team. Simple. Means we have to delete this record permanently from the system team. How you can do that? I'm not doing for our record. I will do for another person. Some Maha Al Saharam, someone is there. Select that record team. Come to actions button here in the drop down. Simply cancel work relationship. You created pending worker relationship to this person. Now cancel it. Go to cancel work relationship. You will land up on this page. Submit. Submit. The record will be permanently deleted from the system team. Okay. Now it's gone team. It will take slight bit of time, like 1-2 minutes to reflect the changes. We will see meanwhile our person team. Now if you go to new person dashboard team, here he won't show. Just it will take 1-2 minutes time to refresh in the backend. We'll wait. It will go. Meanwhile, we will see other things team. So that way you can cancel the work relationship team. Then further select the person actions button. We have team edit pending worker. What is this team? See, before converting, you realize it that some of the information while hiring you have missed team. So employee address details you have missed, or employee phone number you have missed. So before conversion, if you want to edit your pending worker team, again you will land upon hiring screen yesterday. Edit. So any details that you want to update about the pending worker, you can do team in all the tabs. Okay, in all the tabs, and you can click on OK. Now see team, if I come, he's gone. About Triotech, one person record is there. No, where is that person? Starting with series 7. Some name is there. Mirak something is there. No, where is that person? He gone. See, he's no more in the dashboard. His record deleted team. Cancel work relationship means that one. Now select the record, our person. Then editing, we have team. If any details while hiring you have not given correctly, you can do it afterwards like this here team. Then team, we have convert, quick convert, an important star marked interview question team. What is the difference between convert and a quick convert? Okay. See team, if I choose convert, again system will take me to the hiring screen team. See, click on convert. If I do as a HR admin, screen is loading. I will land upon convert pending worker. While you are converting, each and every attribute will be editable team. So you can check one by one carefully all the details, whether you given correct or not, and submit. Then the pending worker will convert to employee. If you're confident enough, Kumar, I don't need to check anything. All details, damn sure I given correctly. Then team, just go to the record team, select the record, actions button. Okay, quick convert. Convert, if you go, again one by one, all tabs in the edit mode, it will come. You can go and give. Quick convert. Now I clicked on. Nothing. System quickly will convert. It's a matter of, again, getting into the edit screen or directly. See, confirmation done. Worker Triotech pending worker Shankar starting on 16th April converted to employee. See team, this is manual way. As a HR admin for any particular person, if you want to convert team, he can come here. Click on OK. He will be no more in the dashboard here. See, gone. He converted. Let us check it from the front end now. Let me check it from the front end now. Okay, my client group, person management. Now see, I will search with my employee Triotech team. So with effective, see, always remember team, this person management will result the data with date effectivity team. As of today, that is April 9th coming up team. What is there as per the system record that will come team? But we converted this employee with 16th April, his actual start date team. If you want to check his employee record, you have to search with the date of that and you have to give a search team. Now search. So here you see team Triotech pending worker. Now the employee type coming. So the ideal behavior in the Fusion system. Yesterday someone was asking me, Bhaskar, I think. Bhaskar, by the way, congratulations, Bhaskar. I think he got offered with some role in Oracle HCM. Let us congratulate everyone team.
Thank you, Kumar.
I've seen your message yesterday, but I was in travel. I thought of calling you, but I forgot. Sorry for that, Bhaskar. Yeah. So teams, yeah. Here we created a pending worker in the system yesterday team, Triotech pending worker, right? Now see, whenever you hire a pending worker, And when you convert him to employee team, the ideal behavior in the fusion system will be the pending worker record will be terminated in the system. With April 16th as a start date, I hired Mr. Shankar in the system team. When I convert him from 16th April, he is going to start as an employee in the company team. Employee relationship will start. One day before means from 18 to 15 in the system, Shankar is a pending worker. From 16th onwards, he started as an employee. So team, whenever we convert the pending worker team, exactly one day before to his start date, pending worker record will become inactive, terminated. So team, when you are searching employees data in the person management, only active employees data only system will retrieve here. If you want to get terminated data also, inactive data also, we have to check box this flag. Now see team, when I search here, 2 records I will get for Shankar. See, 2 records I will get for Shankar, one more. So this is pending worker team, inactive. This is for employee team. See, so if I open this one team, employee record, from 16th April as an employee, he will start his employment in this legal employer. See team, E person number team. Shankar record team, this is 16th April. Now let me check out the pending worker record in the system team. Triotech with effective of 16th with included I am searching team. So this is pending worker type team. If I go to this record, termination date will come one day before. See the pending worker record team, what we hired for Shankar. Okay. So see, one day before exactly, 15th April, termination date, inactive, the status changed team. So this is the system behavior handling the pending worker in the system team. So these are the 4 types of relationship hirings we have in the system. Employee, contingent, non-worker, pending worker. Key takeaways here is what team? Assignment number forming in the system. How? According to the alphabets ECPN. Simply remember ECPN. For employee E, contingent worker C, pending worker P, non-worker N. That is what sequence system will follow, giving person number prefixing with this character stream. So this is hiring of an employees in the system. I mean, all different work relationship. Now, what else HR can do, team? What else HR can do, team? Now, as a HR admin, further any transactions if HR want to do, team. See, there are different ways to handle team. First, I'm going to cover from the functional areas. Later on, I will show you how you can do from quick actions. Even you can do from here, right? So my client group, person management team. Any existing employees, if HR want to do transaction, HR will come to person management, then search for the employee team. Okay. Triotech. So here team, whatever the employees team, I'm searching with Triotech. In general, you can search whatever the employees you want to perform. So this is our employee. Yesterday we hired team. Now let me go to this. If you click on that person name, you will land upon employment page team where you can see name of the employee. See, I wanted to highlight like this. In this demo instance, some color coding I've added here team. That is why they are not coming up by default. Usually the name will also show with white color like this in your applications. So here you have team Suresh record, his person number you can check out, and you land upon his employment page team, his work relationship and his assignment details we can check out, in which legal employer, employee type, hire date, country, then his assignment details team, start date, then whatever he's work, wherever he's working, BU, analyst data. Now let's say team. Let us talk about these buttons. What are these? We all know what is the difference between correct and update team. In our enterprise class only, we understood what is that team. But see, in majority of the cases team, in real-time interviews team, you will be commonly getting this question. what is the difference between correct and update? Okay, that question also you might expect, team. So what is that? Let us see again from the employee transaction screen, team. Now we hired the employee team, but my HR person realized that some of the details were wrongly given to this employee while hiring team. Let's assume team, he is not supposed to be working in Bangalore. He actually is part of Hyderabad team, but wrongly given. Let's say I want to correct that team. How I can do? Simply come to the employee screen, uh, come to edit button, click on correct. When you choose correct, from day one, what is the effective start date is their team. From day one, the entire page will become editable team. From day one, the entire page will become editable team. Click on edit, click on correct. Now here you can see here whatever the action reason it will come. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now you can check out, see the entire page. It's not about only location team. Anything you want to correct the BU, you want to correct the position, job, grade, department, whatnot. Let us, as of now, try to correct the location team. Not in Bangalore. He should be part of Hyderabad location. Okay. I'm selecting that. Click on OK team. Just a second. No, just a second. Sorry, team. Sorry, just come back. So here team, anything. It's not about location team. Any detail about the employee, if you want to correct, you can choose correct, change that attribute, click on review and submit team. Click on review and then submit team. So you can see what attributes change it team when you are in the review screen. So here I can see location information coming. Rest of them unchanged. We have not touched anything. Only current value Bangalore, proposed value is Hyderabad. Okay, correct. That is submit. So correct means that one team. From day one, entire page will become editable in the system team. See here. Click on OK. Now see, it got corrected team. So correct means that one. From day one, it will correct. But what is update button team? When we will use update in the system team, see, I have a specific date. From particular date onwards, I want this updation. For example, team, we hired the employee with effective of 1st April team, 1st April. But my client telling Kumar, first 15 days only, Mr. Suresh will be working under this Abhishek Kumar. Okay. First 15 days only in the organization, this Suresh will be working under Abhishek. From 16th April, we want some other manager to be assigning to Suresh. I have a specific requirement team from 16th April onwards team. Then go to edit. Now you should not choose correct team. When you choose correct, from day one it will correct team. But I have a specific date now. From particular date onwards, then I have to choose update. When you choose update team, effective start date system will ask you. In correct, we don't have that. But in update, we have that team. April 16th. See, I'm giving the date team. So here team, all transactions of the HR are available in this actions team. If you go to actions and action reasons, they all will come. See, add assignment, add location, assignment change, demotion, end assignment, job change, location change, manager change, position change, promotion, transfer, temporary assignment, suspend. These all are HR transactions team. So you can select the date and you can choose the action. What you are doing, I'm doing manager change. because if someone comes and check out team for tracking purpose also they can understand, acha, okay, on 16th April for this employee manager change happened. So in the system for manager change action, whatever the reasons we listed out, that all will come team. If you want, you can give why you are selecting that manager change to the employee. You can select that team accordingly. Click on OK. Now see team, when you choose update, new date effective split will start here team. New date effective split will start here team. See, click on OK. 16th April with date. See, 16th April with date team. New effective start date triggered here. Now I can go team. I can come to the manager. I want to correct team. From Abhishek, I'm changing into some other John Bull is there. We will use that team. Click on OK. Some manager I have changed team. See now, review and submit. So now see team, new date effective split created team. Whenever you choose update team, new row will insert in the employee assignment team. And one day before to this split, see now we updated, right teams, new split created. But actually it started with April 1st, no? Whenever you choose update and whenever you pass a date, one day before the previous split will end date team. Now if you want to check out team, now let's say one HR did this transaction team, some other HR came to employee record and that HR want to check out what all changes happened to his assignment since his inception. View history, whatever updation we do, if you want to track it down, we have view history button team. If you come, I can see the rows here team. One starting with April 1st, the first record team. The other one that which we updated April 16th. If you go to view team, show all columns here, select, you can check out even the end dates also team. See, this is the new row that what inserted team April 16th. If you expand that, you can even check out what happened also team. See, what change, select that, view change details. If you go, see old value was Abhishek Kumar. From April 16th, it changed to John Bull. So if someone want to track down the details team, they can able to come and check out team. And if you scroll towards the right, who did that updation, on which date also it will come team. So today on April 9th, this user, my user team, IMPL 13, HCM IMPL, this person did. So team, in future also, if someone comes and if they want to track, they can come to history button and they can check out team. And see here team, the previous row, end dated team. So we no need to manually end it. Whenever we update with a new start date team, one day before to that previous split will end it. If you want to go to that screen, come here, select that row, click on that effective start date team. You will land upon the previous split of your assignment starting with your April 1st. See, did I give an end date? No. But when I choose update and when I insert the new row, one day before to that means from April 1st to April 15th, Mr. Abhishek Kumar is the manager to this Suresh team. Now go to history button and then again come to the current row team, select that row, effective start date. It will update with that team, April 16th. Here if you see team, John Bull. So like this team, we can use the concept of correct update history buttons team. So correction means from day one, it will correct. Update means system will ask from when onwards you want to update this record. Then team, delete record. What do you mean by delete record team? Now you updated the assignment team with the new manager here. Now again, your team saying that, your company saying that, no Kumar, we no need to update this one. Let us continue under Abhishek only. But I already did that change here team. Correct, updated that, new row created. If you want to clear that team, be on the latest updated date, whatever that we updated assignment team. Click on edit, delete record. The new updated split will delete and old one will restore team. See, click on OK. Gone. The old one restored. End date cleared off. Abhishek Kumar. Now if I come to history button also, I will see only one row while hiring what I got to the employee team. So these things HRs will be using in that way team. So maximum transactions are resided here to the HR team. Update button, choose the date, and here we have team. So here we can talk about team, add assignment concept team as a HR. What is that? Add assignment team. Next transaction we can talk about is add assignment. For example, currently our Suresh is working in India legal entity team. India legal entity in India business unit. Okay. In applications and services department. Okay. In applications and services department in the position of junior service desk agent. Okay. And in the location of Hyderabad in the grade of MGMT4 something team. This is the current assignment of my employee Suresh team. Okay. ASG 1. Right. Currently my Suresh working in this assignment team. Right. So this is the work relationship to Suresh. Currently is working in India legal entity as a employee team. In that, Suresh is working in this assignment team. Now, we have in the Fusion system a concept called multiple assignments team. One more thing I'll tell you, team. If you come to edit button, update, some of my students will be asking me, Kumar, in our environments when we practicing in the actions button, this add assignment is not showing Kumar. What could be the reason? Simple. At the enterprise level or at the LE level of this employee which you hired team. Employment model, if you go and check, we have 2 tier, 3 tier. Within that team, you might be using 2 tier single assignment team. If you enable 2 tier multiple assignment combinations team or in 3 tier also multiple assignments team, then only add assignment will come. If you're opting only single assignment combination team, then you are telling the system at any point of time, my employee will work only single assignment. So this add assignment option will not come team. Make sure that is that mistake in the system team. So here HR can come to the employee record, then choose currently is working in this assignment team. This is assignment 1. One more assignment my organization want to assign to employee team, Suresh, in some other business unit, in some other position, job location team. We have this provision in a single work relationship, in a single legal employer. Here team, no change in legal employer team. Add assignment means no change in the legal employer. Within the same company, my employee can work for multiple assignments team. You give the date from when onwards, from April 10th, add assignment. You can give the reasons for that action team, why you are giving that. Click on OK. Then again, you will be landing upon a hiring screen team. While hiring, yesterday we have seen third, fourth tabs. See employment info tab team. Then compensation. So add assignment team, one more assignment. Now second assignment when you creating assignment number, what we have to give, don't give anything. System will generate, let's see, person type, then in which BU, one of the existing BU I'm using in this instance team. Then you can provide all this information team, in which position, job, grade, department. I'm not going to waste the time here. You can capture team, but you have to focus here, something important team. Whenever in the Fusion system, see when I'm adding one more assignment, is there any change in the company? No. Work relationship remains same. Within the same legal employer, employee will work for multiple assignments team. When you are having multiple assignments to the employee team, one will be primary and remaining will be secondary assignments team. So while you are creating, by default, whenever you hire an employee, that will be your primary assignment team. When you are adding one more assignment to the employee team, system will ask us, by default, it will select as non-primary team. If you make this as primary, yes, automatically the existing one will become non-primary team. So at any point of time in the system for the employees, one primary assignment will be there and remaining all will be secondary team. So if you want to select switch the flags, you can do that team. Then you can capture all the assignmental information and all compensation details team again, because in two-tier model salary we will maintain at assignment level. So for second assignment, payroll you will capture here, then the salary part. But we have not covered this even in yesterday's session also. In payroll module, we will see that team. Click on next. So currently what roles Suresh have, we can check out team as a HR team. Then any role you want to request for his new assignment. As a HR, you can directly add the roles here team. For his account, that roles also will get assigned. Then click on next, submit. So like this team, you can add multiple assignments to the employee team. Add assignment means no change in the legal employer. That is what you have to primarily focus on team. Okay, primarily focus on team. Now we created the assignments team to the employee. Let us go and check in the system team. Now when you search the employee here as a HR admin, if I come to my client group person management, when I search with effective of April 10th, I will search team because I added one more assignment from 10th. Two records I can check team. Two records. This is assignment 1, assignment 2. Because for assignment 2, I have not given all the details. It's a blank team. See, 1 and 2. Now, if I go to the second assignment team, check out the assignment number, what it generated. Whatever the existing assignment number /2. For 1, it won't be /1. It will be only assignment number. But if you add multiple assignments to the employee like this /2, /3, /4, it will generate team. So this is one more assignment to the employee in another business unit. And even these details, if I would have given, all will come team. So this is how team within the same work relationship adding multiple assignments to the employee. Now let's say team, you added one more assignment to the employee. Now your business is telling Kumar, no, we should not add this assignment to the employee. Let him work only for one assignment team. Be on the latest assignment that you have updated to the employee team. Click on edit, delete record. Whatever the updation you have done, it will delete. Only one assignment will be there. So you can add and you can delete as a HR like this. Now when I search with tomorrow's date only, if I search, only one record coming. Where is that record? It's gone. So like this team, we have a functionality called add assignment in the system team. Then further what we can discuss here team. See, many of them are self-explorable. You can explore team. You can select assignment change. Any existing assignment you want to change team, you can select. All these things will become editable. You can do. Then let's say team promotion. Promotion, giving the next position team. Demotion, giving the next lowest position. Give 1 second team. Okay. And then team, we have different options here. Job change, location change, manager change, position change. You can select that team, go to that appropriate field, and you can you can able to give that and you can click on OK team. So all these are many things that which you can self-explore team. Everything I no need to cover, not required also team. These all are actually real-time end user transactions team. So you can perform here all these things. And then team, here we have to talk about importantly transfer and global transfer cases team. We have something called global transfer and transfer. We have to understand that concept because in the interviews you might get a question team. In Fusion system, we have something called transfer and a global transfer team. Two types of transfers we have. What are they? Huh? Okay. See team, take same example team. Currently, Suresh working in India legal entity. Transfer, nothing but team. my employee currently working in this assignment team, let's say transfer, or we can call it as local transfer. Both are same team. Transfer means no change in the legal employer team. Within the same company, if employee moving from one BU to another BU, from one department to another department, from one location to another location, we call it as transfer. Currently, my employee working in Hyderabad location team. I want to transfer him to Chennai location. We call it as transfer. Currently, my working in employee working in applications and services department team. I want to transfer him to sales department. Or currently, my employee working in India business unit. I want to transfer him to some South BU team. From one BU to another BU, from one department to another department, from one location to another location. If you are transferring the employee within the same company, within the same legal employer, we call it as transfer, right? How to do that here? Come here, select transfer, choose the date. From when onwards you want to do, from 20th team. Why you are doing the transfer action reason, if you have, you can select that team. Then click on OK. Click on OK. Now see, transfer initiated here team. You can come and you can change team. So let's say from Hyderabad to Chennai, I want to transfer team. Or Bangalore, I want to transfer the employee. Location, department, business unit. If you are moving the employee from one after the other, from one to one, we call it as transfer team. See, new date triggered from April 20th, the transfer I am doing team. Submit. So this is transfer. No change in the legal employer team of the employee. We call it as transfer in the system. Okay. Then we have team, something called a global transfer. What is global transfer team? What is global transfer team? There will be change in the legal employer in the system team. Means employee currently working in India legal entity. In our case, you can take example, if employee working in Tata Automobiles team, you want to transfer the employee from Tata Automobiles to TCS. Means intra-company transfer stream from one LE to another LE. If you want to transfer the employee, we call it as global transfer. Global, many people will have a confusion team. Even in the interview also, wantedly interviewer will confuse you. Many people will tell that global means across the countries. Your another legal entity should not be in another country. Within the same country also, if you have multiple companies, intra-company transfer stream, from one company to another company, if employee to be moved, we call it as global transfer. They both can be in same country, not necessarily in another country team. So global transfer means what team? Change in legal employer. Change in legal employer. From currently Suresh working in India legal entity. So I want to transfer Suresh to US1 legal entity in the system. In my demo instance, I have these entities, I'm using that. But in reality, from TCS, from Tata Automobiles to TCS, or from Tata Communications to Tata Motors, whatever it could be team. So currently in my system, Suresh working in India legal entity. I want to transfer Suresh to US legal entity team. That is global transfer team. What happens, in the system is very important team. The followed by question will come to you in the interview. When you do global transfer in the system, what happens to the record? Very important. Whenever you do global transfer team to the employee, for example, with effective of 25th April 2025, I'm doing this. My client telling Kumar, we have to transfer Suresh from India legal entity to US1 legal entity Kumar with effective of 25th April. When I do that team, in his current work relationship, in his current company, employee will be terminated team. He's no more employee of India legal entity. In the new company with a new hire date, he will start his employment here team. he can start team. Global transfer means that one team. When you do global transfer from the current company, he will be terminated. In the new company, he will start his employment. Let me show you team. See, currently my employee Suresh working in India legal entity in this BU in this work relationship team. Global transfer if you want to do, edit, update, choose the date from when onwards. From 25th onwards, I want team. Action, choose global transfer team. When you choose global transfer, system asking me destination legal employer. But when I did transfer, no, it didn't ask me anything team. Okay. But here it asking me legal employer team. So from India legal entity to which legal entity you want to transfer? Whatever existing in this instance, I'm using team US1, US3, Malaysia, Ukraine. Again, I'm telling it's not about the country, the second legal entity in which within the same country you have also global transfer means across the legal employers. They might be from any country. So currently I'm using something in this system by name US3 or Singapore is let me use team someone. So from this legal employer to this legal employer with effective of April 25, I'm transferring my employee team. So while you're transferring, copy primary assignment data. If you select a team, this all assignmental information will copy it there. But if you want to give new details and all, don't copy that team. Now click on OK. The moment you click on OK team, a pop-up will come. See, what is that team? Select assignment status. See, by default, existing assignment will have inactive payroll. Means I told you, right team, whenever you initiating global transfer team, okay, whenever you initiating global transfer team from the current company, employee record will be terminated team, right? Terminated team. So whenever employees gets terminates in the system, I told you assignment status will automatically change to inactive payroll eligible, right or wrong team? So that is what happening. See, when you're doing a global transfer, by default, existing assignment of the employee will be inactive payroll. You want to change it inactive and you don't want to process the payroll to the employee in his old assignment, you can do manually team, but not required. You can go with that. Now again team, it looks like a hiring screen only. Global transfer. See, again, it looks like a hiring screen only team here. Global transfer. Okay, see, and new start date triggered C team April 25th in this new company. These details will come from previous screen team. Again, it's similar hiring screen, identification, person information, then employment info. Again, hiring screen kind of thing team. Okay, employment info. Now here you can give team what is the business assignment details team, new assignment details to the employee team. Okay, position, job. You can give all these things. I'm not wasting the time. Quickly, I'm going team. Click on next, next, and submit. It's again a new hiring case only team in new company. See, click on yes. So like this team, you can able to initiate the global transfer. Shall we check out the existing records team? Let me check out from backend because global transfer will take slight bit of time to get the changes completed team. Don't know, yes, it's in progress. Let me wait team because our demo instances for every batch, it's common case only. Global transfer will take slight bit of time to complete team. You don't need to come and wait here. Just check out after 2 minutes team. Your record will show here. That's all. This approval screen, actually approval is not enabled, but even then now it's completed. Nothing I have done, just I waited, just all team. Now see here, come to my client group, person management. Then let me search for the employee here team with effective of 25th April. Okay. If I search team, I can see his new record team, this one, 25th April. If I come here in the new company, that is Singapore legal entity. See, my employee Suresh in new work relationship team, Singapore legal entity, global transfer /2. Because our second assignment I deleted. Now in the new work relationship team, one more assignment. So system will take up accordingly team. See, new hire date also trigger team, April 25th. What about his old record, Kumar? One day before to this. One day before to this, it will get terminated team. Check here, April 25th. This is new record team. Include terminated search. This is the old record team of the employee inactive, India legal entity. Let me go to that. See here team, termination triggered, inactive. Exactly one day before team, 25th April, I global transferred the employee. Exactly one day means till April 24th, employee Suresh working in this company. From 25th April, he joined in Singapore legal entity team freshly. So one day before to that team, automatically in the current work relationship, employee record will get terminated team. That is what happens in the global transfer situation team. Wantedly, interviewer will ask you here, what happens in the case of global transfer? Or global transfer means, does it mean that across the countries we have to move the employee? No, it's across the legal entities team. So, right. So these are the things that we can talk from this update correct history buttons team. Further more transactions as a HR if he or she want to do. In the right side taskbar team, under personal and employment, here team, we have different options to check out here. Person, employment, seniority, dates, direct report is these things. But from here, I will continue in tomorrow session team. Okay. So let me take up the questions for today. I can see a couple of questions in the chat board. Deepika, Kumar, I have a few questions while doing assignment, error while associating action. See, Deepika, in our demo instances for configurations, system not allowing. That's why even in the training time, I have not taught you for our configurations. For our transactions, I have covered for hire an employee like that. But for our configurations in the demos, it's not allowing. That is issue with the environment. You cannot do that one. And I tried to add an action region, but yes, that is what the error will be same. Even if I do that also, system won't allow. That is because of our demo instances. So better you practice that concept with the transactional things like add assignment, create, change assignment, hire an employee, transfer, promote, these things. Then I noticed that there are some country specific job lookups. Definitely, even I have covered that topic from the point of person lookups when I am covering. When we are working on a specific legislations, on a specific countries, then we have some individual task name for that. Even if you go to manage person lookups for USA, manage person lookups for Canada, like that we have. Means whenever I'm hiring an employee in a particular country, some additional sections will be coming up in the system team, country to country. That fields values, if you want to customize, then you have to go to that particular individual tasks. But as I told you, for every lookup you want to define, we have one global task called manage common lookups. You can go there and you can configure them. Or else for particular countries in the system, when we are doing the transactions in that country, the screen will come with that additional fields. You can go and customize that accordingly. And grade rate salary validation, I have defined for grade rate salary validation for an employee grade out of system that we have to cover. As of now, in the grades, how to define the rates we have seen. But in the payroll module, we have a salary basis. Our grade rates, we will map to salary basis. And when we hiring the employee, that salary basis we will be capturing to the employee. So system will check in which grade he hired. As per that grade, what rate is there. That setup not done. In payroll module, I will cover that and I will show you how that transaction validation happening here. And while hiring an employee, if specific role has headcount limit of 10 position, how the system? Obviously, that is the nature of that position. While you are creating, if you create the position with a shared type and you given 10 headcount there, while hiring the employees, if you fill that position, 10 people already allocated that position, for 11th person automatically system won't take that because that is a maximum threshold limit. So we don't have any additional configuration to do. By default at the position what you given, that will come. And if an employee applies for an internal job posting and is selected, you know how is handled. See, basically that will be considered as a transfer only. Till this time he worked in this. From this time he's moving to new position. You can go with that change, or else simply you can use job change. We have one action in the edit button update, job change. If you want to do that way, you can do that, or else transfer. Both the things you can use for handling that situation. And for global transfer, can you maintain a group date of join? See, in that case, Srinivas, I have done manually here to the employee for one person. But we have in the system something called a mass updates. I mean to say, in a bulk, for 50 employees, you want to global transfer. For all employees, one start date you want to maintain. We have mass updates concept. I will tell you that next session. In that you can able to do. But here I have shown the transaction from a single employee point of view. But that is doable. And Sanjay, global transfer is equal to interlegal entity in same or yes. Global transfer is equal to change in the legal employer of the employee. Either it might be within the country or it might be another country also. And Amarnath, how can we handle short-term assignments? See, something we have Amar here in the update button only. Temporary assignments option we have here. This is terminated record. Let me take up some other person in the system. Okay. Here team, you have option like see, temp. If it is another country, you are sending to another legal employer team. Global temporary assignment we have. We have to achieve with that options. And then Hi Kumar, if the other assignment is for another legal entity. Mehra, if the other assignment is for another legal entity means that is something called create work relationship. One more feature we have. In next session, I'm going to cover that Mehra here. See, means you want to make employee to work in another assignment in another company. Then you have to choose create work relationship. We have one option. And will employee able to see multi? Yes, under me, if he go to his employment info, he can able to see that Dheeraj. And Bhaskar are non-worker type of hires employee. Non-workers in the fusion system, we cannot process salary. By default, system won't allow us to process the salary. That will be paid to them through finance system. Externally, we have to pay. Then once the pending worker who has cancelled or deleted work relationship from the latter can't we revert? No, we can't do that. Again, it's going to be a fresh creation only. We cannot revert back that. Then can we run to convert from pending work? No, specific employees, as I already covered Venkatesh, we cannot run. Only whatever the parameters Oracle given there, only that parameters only we can use that. How salary will split means it depends upon the client requirement. If they want to maintain two salaries to the employee, each assignment level, we can maintain the salary separately. If client don't want only one assignment, for second assignment, you don't capture any salary details there. But if you want to split, that we have to update from the payroll perspective, not from core HR. Then single assignment for an existing employee, if you want to add one more, we can do that. Add assignment or create work relationship. Once let me cover this one, you will understand that. Document of records we have. Wait, tomorrow we are going to get to that. Here we have DOR. Like EBS, we have that concept. We have to cover mandatory concept here also. Okay. We'll conclude here for today, team. Let's join back tomorrow and we'll continue. Thank you, everyone, team. So hopefully by tomorrow, I'll get back with my original voice, team. Thanks for understanding. We'll join back tomorrow.